everyone. Welcome to elementalenglish.com. Today's podcast is on the 3 sounds of the plural S in English, s, z, and is, an English pronunciation lesson. Just like the ed ending, there are 3 ways of saying the plural S ending in English, s, z, and is. For example, when we say the plural S of 2 basic words in English, cats and dogs, the plural S is said in 2 different ways. Cats with a s, cats. Dogs with a z, dogs. Why does the sound of the plural S change? The goal for English speakers is to speak efficiently, to say the most they can in the shortest amount of time. When there is a change in sound, the change is often caused by the sound right before it. This allows the vocal cords in particular to be more efficient, to continue what they are doing. Let's practice and understand. Put your hand on the front of your neck and say the sound t. What do you feel? You should feel nothing at all, meaning there is no vibration in the vocal cords when you say t. Now, put your hand on the front of your neck and say the sound d. What do you feel? You should feel a vibration now. That's because the vocal cords vibrate when you say the sound d. This vibration, or lack of vibration, is what causes the plural S to sound like a s or a z. Now, put your hand in front of your neck and say the s sound. What do you feel? You should feel no vibration. Put your fingers on the front of your neck and say the z sound. What do you feel? You should feel the vibration of the vocal cords. So the rule is, anytime a word has a sound just before the plural S that has no vibration in the vocal cords, the plural S will continue the lack of vibration and sound like a s. Anytime you have a sound before the plural S that has the vibration will carry forward and transform the letter S into a z sound. There are also some sounds that require an extra syllable to be articulated. For example, I can't even say the plural of bridge without adding an extra I sound before the plural S. So we add the extra syllable to say bridges. Voiceless sounds that cause the plural S to be pronounced as a s include p, t, k, f. For example, weeks, bits, backs, briefs. Voiced sounds that cause the plural S to be pronounced as z include b, d, g, l, r, w, m, n, v, y. For example, webs, beds, bags, bells, jars, canoes, straws, limbs, fans, doves, delays. The sounds that cause the plural S to be pronounced with an additional syllable include ch, j, s, z. For example, watches, bridges, judges, slices, blazes.